So, good evening to the proctor, myself Akshay Kumar, and I'm recording this video for Coding Ninja's backend skill test called Issue Tracker. So, this is my GitHub repository where I've pushed my project Issue Tracker latest. These are all the required files that I have created. I've also added README file, and I have hosted this site on Render. So, this is the web page. Okay, so we have one project only. Let's create a project and see the demonstration. So to create a project, we need to click this button, create project. So we need to give the name of the project. So let's say I'm giving hospital API, and author is myself, Akshay Kumar, and the description. So this is the project where hospital, or I can say this is the demonstration of issue tracker. So let's create the project. You can see the project is successfully created, the hospital API. So to view the details of the project, we need to click on this button, view project, and we can see all the details of the project, the title, author, description. So till now no issues have been created, so issue is blank. We have also added the search function, means filter function, where user can filter using the labels like front end, back end, which type of issue is created. I have also added 3 buttons: delete project, create issue, and back button. So to create issue, I need to click this button, create issue, and it will require the title of the issue. So let's say server data is not served. So give the description, data is not being served properly. So I have given the description. Let's say the author is Rahul. So, and we will give the label, which type of from which state this data is belongs to, like from front end, back end, development, database. So data is not served because of database, so I have given the label at database. Let's create the issue. So issue is successfully created, title data is not served. Let's create one more issue so we can see the filters as well. So let's say title responsiveness, okay. So web page is not dynamically responsive, and the author, let's say Mayank, handles the front end, and this is of front end type, so I'm clicking as front end. Create the issue. So issue is successfully created. Now we have 2 issues. First one is data is not served, which is a backend issue by Rahul, and second is of responsiveness by Mayank. We can filter these issues. So you can see database and front end. Okay, both issues we can select. So let's select front end and then apply. Only front end issue is available here. Similarly, if I write backend, database, my bad, sorry. So I can see the database issue. Okay, if we put anything other than that, like backend, and then apply, so it will give a message, no filter issues found. So and I can move back as well. I can delete project as well. So let me show by deleting this project. Let's click on it, delete, and you can see the project is successfully deleted. Coming toward the folder structure. So for the very first folder that I have in my folder structure is asset folder, which contains all the CSS file, home CSS, issue form, layout, and project view. In config folder, I have only mongoose file which handles the database. So in mongoose I have created mongoose and connected it with MongoDB. So this is all the required code. In controller I have three controllers. First is home controller, which we are rendering in the page, my web page. The second is issue controllers. So in this controller, so we have many things like creation of the issue, rendering of the issue form, and find, basically the find and update the newly created forms or issues. And in project controllers, we are we have rendering of project form, creating of project form, view of project form, deletion of project form, and the filter, that means the searching option. Okay, so in module I have two JS file: issue, which handles all the issues and the project; routes, I have index.js. Okay, this is the main file. Here we access the controllers, we handle the project from rendering, creation, view project, issue and search, deletion, etc, etc. And in view I have all the EJS file like my footer, um, all right reserved Akshay Kumar, my header file, creating issue form, create project form, home EJS, layout, and the view project filtered form. Okay, uh, this is the readme file. So that is it for my project. I hope you have liked the project. Okay, and I have hosted this project on render. We can see I have given the link as well in my GitHub, as well as in my readme file. So that's it. Thank you.